Zhen Qiu Hong is a Chinese actress and singer. She was born on November 25, 1990 in Jiexi County, Jieyang, China. In 2022, he starred in Dine With Love. She has received critical acclaim for his acting skills and comedic portrayals of characters and has experienced a rise in popularity as an entertainer due to his charming personality and on-screen presence. In 2021, he starred in Song of Youth. The same year, she also played Maid Escort. Her stupendous acting talent has earned her millions of fans all across the globe. In 2020, she starred in Unique Lady Season 2. The same year, he also played Fairyland Lovers. She is the epitome of beauty and one of the few actresses who is full of astonishing abilities and talents who never steps back in experimenting with her unique roles. In 2019, she starred in My Mowgli Boy. The same year, she also played From Survivor to Healer. Her understanding of professionalism and incredible physical appeal has earned her the right to be counted among the best in her profession. In 2018, she starred in Dramaholic. In 2020, she worked in movie Royal Kitchen in Cheng Dynasty. Her sweet smile and down-to-earth personality can make anyone her fan in no time. In 2019, she worked in TV shows Real Actor. In 2015, she worked in TV shows Even the God of Songs.